Good evening, VV Nation. My name is Ryan. Welcome to the channel. Happy Wednesday, everybody. Now, tonight's presentation, I've got two great stocks. AI data infrastructure plays here, but not only do they have exposure to AI data centers with hyperscalers, cloud providers, things of that nature, but also has other projects in the works, several sources of revenue. Great two companies here, and not only are they phenomenal in the VectorVest 7 software VST ratings above 1, but these two companies just reported earnings, phenomenal earnings reports. We're going to break down both reports, the first company being VRT, Vertiv Holdings, while the second company being APH, Amphenol. Now, if you're interested in these two stocks, if you want exposure in your portfolio to AI data center infrastructure stocks, and especially seeing both of these stocks with momentum after these phenomenal earnings reports, let's get started. First up, Vertiv Holdings. You can see right from the title, strong Q3 numbers. Stock is soaring here, so let's take a look at the numbers. As we scroll down, Vertiv Holdings, the highlights, revenue coming in at $2.68 billion versus estimates, beating estimates here, 29% year-on-year growth with a 3.4% beat compared to those estimates. Now, the EPS, $1.24 against estimates of 99 cents, 25% beat. Phenomenal report here. Now, with the guidance going forward, $2.8 billion is the midpoint, roughly in line with what analysts were expecting here. That guidance puts the EPS at $4.10 and a 7.9% increase. As we dive deeper in, operating margins up 13%, free cash flow up 17%, organic revenue up 28% year over year, with analysts only coming in at 24%. The company with a market cap currently is $66 billion. You can see with these numbers why investors are getting enthused when it comes to Vertiv Holdings. Amphenol seeing just as much excitement here. You see the shares surging 8% pre-market. I am recording this just after pre-market. I got a live stream coming up in just a bit here. Now, Amphenol said it earned an adjusted 93 cents per share as revenue surged 53% year over year, over $6 billion. Now, analysts were expecting the adjusted earnings of just 80 cents per share on $5.5 billion, so beating both top and bottom ends. Now, there was a statement by the CEO looking at the increase in sales of 53% year over year, and on top of that, operating margin reaching a record of 27.5% for the company. Now, as far as some optimism for the guidance here, the issued was between 6 and 6.1 billion, up 39%, 41% year over year, and that does not include Amphenol's pending acquisition of CommScope's connectivity and cable business for $10 billion, which now expects to close the first quarter of 2026. Analysts were expecting the company to earn just 81 cents per share on $5.73 billion, but now coming in over $3 per share on just over $21 billion of revenue for the full year. Another reason investors are getting excited here with conjunction with strong earnings and guidance. Look at this. Increase the dividend by 52%. Now it's got a 25-cent dividend per share. About 30 minutes into the trading session, we're in VectorVest 7 software right now, taking a look at Amphenol and VRT. First of all, we're going to take a look at their valuation right now. This is what we currently feel the stock is intrinsically worth. Both of these stocks, if you compare price to value, trading at a premium right now. It's not a price target. It's just saying that we feel that investors are paying a premium for these positions. You can see mixed results right now. Some of that bullish momentum clearly being lost with Vertiv Holdings first thing this morning. Now, RVRS, these are fundamental indicators. These proprietary indicators on a 0 to 2 scale. Above 1 is favorable, below 1 is unfavorable. Both of these companies fundamentally sound. RV lets me know that both of these companies have long-term price appreciation to the upside. And on top of that, having a sense of safety with Amphenol. Now, when it comes to VRT, the safety rating is neutral right now, so it's not really favorable or unfavorable at this time. Now, our technical indicator, RT relative timing, lets us know that the bulls are in control right now. We see the momentum is to the upside. Both of these stocks currently have a buy recommendation. And if we look at the forecasted data, double digits across the board here. Growth rate and earnings both at 27%. Earnings is going to be the engine to drive that stock price higher. The fuel to that engine is going to be sales. We want sales to be outpacing earnings. We see 57% and 35% respectively. phenomenal numbers when it comes to forecasted data. So let's go ahead and jump at the chart to see if there's any opportunities when it comes to these positions. First up is APH. Look at the price action, lower left, upper right. Clearly a lot of momentum over the last 6 months here. Down below, we do have valuation, meaning the green line here. Even though the stock is overvalued, one thing I like here is see value rising as well. If I use a date line, we can see the valuation just about a year ago coming in around $48. Now value almost doubled at $86 currently. Along with that, RT relative timing letting us know that the bulls were in control as early as April 23rd here with the gap up. I did have a level of resistance here. Price action breaking that level of resistance. RT going into favorable territory at 1.18, letting me know that, hey, have this stock on my radar, especially if I'm going to be bullish. And look at the 12-month leading EPS forecast, rising lower left, upper right, stair-step fashion. Beautiful stock overall. Here's Vertiv Holdings, a little choppier price action here. You can see my level support coming in at 156, price action coming back down. I'd like to see it find a level support right about here. The valuation not moving up as nicely as I'd like to see with Amphenol, but still seeing some opportunities here in general. Now, VRT did show some weakness, but as of recent, RT has remained above 1 since September 29th here. RT coming in at 1.11. Price action of the day is 143. Currently sitting at 169 again with the sell-off today and currently trading at session low. If you're looking to get in this position, make sure that the market is on your side. And on top of that, I'm looking for a level support around 156. That's where I'm currently looking for the pivot for price action right now. But look at the forecasted data. Phenomenal move. The earnings per share 12 months ago was $2.95, now coming in at $4.35. So seeing this forecasted data move in the right direction and all the great numbers we covered when it comes to the earnings call itself. I hope you guys enjoyed tonight's presentation. 2 great stocks to have on your radar going forward. Now, again, my name is Ryan. If you enjoyed tonight's presentation, hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys next week.